Good morning everybody, happy new year. It's 2017 and I've just got in from my first bike ride of the year and realised I was really hungry and there was only one thing I wanted. So I'm going to expose myself to being vulnerable to the delights of Addictive Nutty Yum Yum, which is my very mature name for this amazing thing. So to save time and to not bore you stupid, I've put all the ingredients into the pan already. It's just about to go into the oven. So we have in here almonds, pecans, cashew, walnuts, mixed seeds, which is sesame, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. I've also, the white on top that you can see here is coconut oil, which will melt, and then I will obviously mix it in when it's all melted. And I've put some coconut palm sugar, which has a very low GI. It depends where you stand on the whole thing of sweetness, but I just wanted to do this. My excuse is that I had some coconut yogurt left over and I thought, that would be really nice with lots of yummy nuts on top. So anyway, I'm indulging myself. So what else do I need to tell you? There's a little bit of Himalayan salt, of course, because it makes everything absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put that into roast. In fact, I'll do that now. So I'm just popping it into the oven, about 150. And then, while that's doing that, I have cacao here, which is chocolate. So just kind of basically raw chocolate powder, and goji berries, or wolf berries as they're called, and flake coconut, and Kiki superfood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in later, because they burn really quickly. Do not put berries and coconut in at the beginning because they just burn. And then when it's finished and I'm eating it, I am going to add the superfoods, because you don't want to be heating superfoods. So I'll let it cook and I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, there it is, the finished article. Oh, it's so delicious. If you let it cool, it goes really crisp and lovely. So I'm about to put it in the bowl with some coconut milk and some coconut yogurt, and I'm going to eat it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, thank you for watching.